Welcome to Like Health. Are you looking for a simple way to improve your health at night while you sleep? Clove water, consumed before bed, has powerful benefits that can help with digestion, immune function, and even your metabolism. In this video, we're going to explore how this simple remedy can transform your body overnight. Let's dive in and see exactly what happens when you drink clove water at night. First, drinking clove water before bed helps detoxify your liver, which plays a crucial role in filtering out toxins from your body. The antioxidants in cloves support liver function by neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. As you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, and clove water aids in this process by promoting liver health and enhancing its natural detoxification capabilities. This allows your liver to work more efficiently, removing harmful substances and improving your overall health. Regular consumption of clove water can also help reduce the buildup of toxins, which could otherwise lead to fatigue, poor digestion, or skin issues. By supporting liver detoxification, you're setting yourself up for better health and well-being every morning. Second, drinking clove water before bed significantly improves digestion. Cloves are known for their ability to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently. This aids in the smooth movement of food through your digestive tract, preventing issues like bloating, indigestion, and gas. By drinking clove water at night, you support your digestive system's natural processes while you sleep. Additionally, cloves have antimicrobial properties that help balance gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. This leads to better nutrient absorption and overall digestive health. Incorporating clove water into your nightly routine can help you wake up feeling lighter and more refreshed. Third, clove water is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including joint pain, digestive problems, and even heart disease. By drinking clove water before bed, you allow its potent compounds, like eugenol, to work on calming down inflammation during the night. These compounds help to reduce swelling and discomfort in the joints, muscles, and other affected areas. Regular consumption of clove water can assist in managing chronic inflammation and promote long-term health. This means you'll not only feel more comfortable, but also improve your body's ability to heal and regenerate overnight. Fourth, drinking clove water before bed helps balance blood sugar levels. Cloves contain compounds that can improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to regulate blood sugar more effectively. This is especially helpful for individuals dealing with blood sugar imbalances or those at risk for diabetes. By consuming clove water at night, you're supporting your body's natural ability to keep blood sugar levels stable throughout the night, preventing the spikes and crashes that can interfere with sleep. Balanced blood sugar also helps reduce cravings and promotes consistent energy levels the following day. Incorporating clove water into your evening routine can lead to better blood sugar management and overall well-being. Fifth, clove water helps boost your immune function. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all of which play a vital role in strengthening your immune system. The powerful compounds in cloves, such as eugenol, have antimicrobial properties that help protect your body from infections and harmful bacteria. By drinking clove water before bed, you give your body the chance to fight off pathogens while you rest. This can lead to fewer colds, a stronger immune response, and quicker recovery when you're feeling under the weather. Adding clove water to your nightly routine helps ensure your immune system is working at its best to keep you healthy year-round. Sixth, clove water can promote better sleep by calming your nervous system. The natural compounds in cloves help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common causes of sleeplessness. Clove water has a soothing effect that can help you relax and unwind, making it easier to fall asleep. It also helps regulate the production of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that promotes a sense of well-being and relaxation. Drinking clove water before bed creates the perfect environment for your body to rest and recharge. As you sleep more soundly, you wake up feeling more refreshed and energized, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Seventh, clove water can assist in weight loss by boosting your metabolism. The active compounds in cloves, like eugenol, have been shown to stimulate the metabolic rate, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Drinking clove water before bed can increase fat oxidation, promoting the breakdown of fat while you sleep. Additionally, cloves help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes that can lead to cravings and overeating. By incorporating clove water into your nightly routine, you support your body's natural fat-burning processes, making it easier to manage your weight over time. 8th, clove water can help soothe a sore throat and relieve respiratory discomfort. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves make them highly effective at fighting off infections that cause throat irritation. Drinking clove water before bed can help reduce swelling in the throat, alleviate pain, and clear mucus, making it easier to breathe. Additionally, the soothing effect of clove water can help calm coughing and other symptoms of respiratory congestion. By including clove water in your nightly routine, you can wake up feeling relief from sore throats and respiratory discomfort, allowing you to breathe easier throughout the day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new